Hey guys, what's happening? How to connect Nova to Bullx Neo. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to the novaclick.io. Again, you're going to see it highlighted right here. I'm highlighting it, novaclick.io. And then you're going to go ahead and click join now. And you're going to be able to see a pop-up window that allows you to be accepted to the Nova bot. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, make sure that the use panel settings is turned on, like the green button. They usually shut it off, but make sure that you turn it on. Okay, so after you turn it on, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the three bars right here at the bottom, highlighted in blue, and then you're gonna go ahead to the menu. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to see multiple options, right? Go ahead and click wallet. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and click the export private key. I'm highlighting it with my cursor. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see that they generated a private key to use in Bullx. So you're gonna go ahead to your bot or to your channel of Bullx, right? And then go to the file manager, and you're gonna be able to see a button called import wallet, and then you're gonna just paste the address in your Bullx. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to add a wallet or connect Bullx to Nova. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in that next time.